Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog, Kate Winslet. So, nakita niyo sa initial video clip regarding the Mi or the Xiaomi Mi smart speaker. So, I think 4 days ago I purchased this in Shopee online, and I'll give you some basic, again, unboxing and review. So technically, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng idea what is this Mi smart speaker. And let's start first with the price. So originally, if you go to a Xiaomi official store or online, it cost you 209 ringgit. But fortunately, because of the promo, as we all know, 1010. So prior to 1010, they made a promotion, which is it will give you like almost 19 to 20 ringgit discount. So I was able, oh no, not 19 to 20. I was able to get at least 59 ringgit discount. Imagine that, 59.58. So, from 209, I only got this, kasama na yung delivery fee, is 151 ringgit in some sets. So, imagine, nakatipid ka online. Although I went to the store, official store recently, it's still showing there 209. So, bottom line, if you will purchase it online officially sa store ng Xiaomi sa Shopee or even Lazada, you will get the promo. So this one is, I think this is the most affordable Mi or smart speaker wherein it has several features. One, you can access or it can do Google Assistant. So what can you do? Play some music. What's the weather this weekend? Tell me about my day. What are the population in Spain, or let's say here in Penang, Malaysia? And then how far away is the moon? Do I need umbrella today? So those are the common question you do when you ask Google, right? For any assistance. So this Xiaomi Mi smart speaker, most of the features it says here, it has a very powerful sound in such a way, standard stereo sound na siya, and very nice yung sound quality niya. Not too high, not too low, pero pasok sa banga yung kanyang quality ng sound. And it also has a hi-fi audio processor. That's the reason why this specific Xiaomi is, masasabi mo na not only affordable but very, very convenient for you. Tapos it's already a DTS. So aside from that, it has also, you can set an alarm, timers, and reminders. Then you can also play some music through Spotify or any streaming music that is in online. And then you can also, like what I said, ask some random questions and provide you some answer by Google Assistant. And then you can also control more home devices. So meaning you can use this also as a means of your command if you buy some like smart gadgets. Let's say the lighting, smart lights, also if you have an air purifier at home that is powered by Google Assistant or Alexa, you can use this as the means of your mic to command your smart gadgets at home. So that's why when I purchased this, medyo what do you call this? Maganda siya na in a lower affordable price. And the reason why I purchased this is because every time I watch Netflix, medyo hirap ako sa sound and I'm using only my mobile phone to watch it. So, and if I have a Bluetooth speaker, hindi naman ganun ka-stable. This one, free lang to. So, okay pa rin siya. It's still working. Pero the quality itself, yung bass, yung treble niya, hindi ganun ka-appreciative siya na parang, okay ito. But this one, so I decided to buy it. And just to give you an idea, the physical aspect, very sturdy. Tama yung laki niya, and then metal yung silver niya, and then there's a white like a hard plastic, very durable, and I can say yun nga, sabi ko nga, very sturdy, at yung bigat niya tama lang. Plus you can see here the commands. You can see the plus and minus button, mute, and let's say next if you're playing a music, and then there will be like a light here every time you ask Google, it will show a light. So again, simply lang tong box unboxing ko and review with the Xiaomi smart speaker. So again, I'll show you in the video clip paano ko isa-set up, and from there I will go ahead and connect this to the internet. And by the way, you need to download the Google Home app. So technically, if you download the Google Home app, you will add the device and make sure you will connect it to your home network or your Wi-Fi, and then you're good to go. So that's it. I'll test it later. Hey Google, open Spotify and play music.
Got it, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Hey Google, what's the weather today in Penang, Malaysia?
Tonight in Georgetown, the forecast is around 80 and mostly cloudy. Currently it's 83 degrees and clear.
Hey Google, what day is today?
Today is Monday, October 10th.
Hey Google, when is the Christmas day?
In Penang, Christmas will be on Sunday, the 25th of December.
Hey Google, 10 times 5.
10 by 5 is 50.
Hey Google, tell me about my day.
Good evening. You've found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. The time is 9 p.m. Right now in Georgetown it's 80 degrees and clear. Tonight, the forecast is around 77 and mostly cloudy.
So I hope you like the simple review of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker. So if you reach this portion of this video, please don't forget to like this, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified for future and incoming video just like this one. So again, maraming salamat, and please don't forget to also like and follow my Facebook page, KCM Videos, wherein I also post all my contents there. So visit my Facebook page and you will see there this one once I upload it. And obviously, I will also promote my wife's YouTube channel, which is Colette's Vlog. You can also see there when she review Alexa, the Echo Dot, wherein it's similar to the Xiaomi smart speaker. Okay? So again, terima kasih, have a great day, and always remember, eat, vlog, sleep, and repeat. Thank you very much.